Hi everyone, my name is Deshannae and I'm the owner of Dare to Dream Accessories, and today I'm just going to demo some of my products and show you how I would accessorize them with a simple black dress such as this one. So typically when I go to church, I always wear something plain. I'm a very minimalistic person, but I try to improve my appearance with a little bit of accessories. So for instance, let's say I wanted to go purple. I do this grapple great brooch right here, this beautiful purple brooch, and then I'd go in with one of my turbans. So one of the fun things that I like about turbans is that on a day when my hair is not as fresh, I can always, with a little bit of quickness, just throw it on, set it nicely, fix my hair so that it's nice and comfortable and aligned, and I have, as you can see, a different look, a little bit more elegant, a little bit more put together, and it hides my imperfection of my hair. If I don't like this direction of this particular turban, I can simply turn it the other way. I can turn it this way and it's a different look, and it improves my look on a whole. And I can always pair it with a nice bracelet, necklace, or even a watch, and turn a simple black dress into something absolutely beautiful. Another thing is that, let's say I wanted to go silver. So I'm going to use the same turban, but in a different color. So I could go this direction with the turban. Just have to align it nicely. Fix my hair, of course. You know, we have to look our best out here. Simple, aligned, perfect. So I could go with this turban, and I could go with either this royal drop brooch, which is really big, large and in charge, or I could go dainty with this other brooch that I have. They're both very sparkly. Or I can even go with the other version of the grapple grape, with the white version. I could go with the Valerie pearl, or I can even go with the Gloriana. I could go any direction with the gray, and it does have a touch of green in there. So if you wanted to put on a nice green watch, necklace, or even your shoes or handbag could be green, and that would elevate the look just the same. Now let's say you're not a fan of the turban, because you know, not everybody likes hats like these. We could go with some headbands. So the headbands that I have would be these nice big pearl ones. Let me fix my hair again. Of course, you could go with a nice pearl headband. Let me get it nice and snug. There we go. A nice pearl headband. That would be so cute, especially if you're going to rock any of these two. I have a bunch more brooches, but just as an example, you could even go with this nice twisted version. You could go nice and cute with a little pearl and sparkly with a little bit of razzle dazzle as a nice little cute option. Or you could go cluster with this beautiful pearl option. You could go any direction with it, and I do have other headbands as well, but just as an example of just how simple you can elevate a nice black dress or any plain dress with any of my accessories from Dare to Dream Accessories. Now, let's say you're not a sparkly girly. You could go plain with a simple headband like this one. I have them in so many different colors. So you could go black on black, or you could go nice and sleek with this nice tan nude color. You know, you could go any direction you want. You could go with this blue. You could go with this beautiful red color. You could go with this tone, this tone, this tone. You could go any direction with it. It's really that simple to turn a nice black dress into a beautiful combination, nice outfit with Dare to Dream. It's really that simple. But guess what? Let's say you wanted to elevate your footwear just a little bit. What we can use are these shoe straps. Now, for me, I love a good heel, but I like to wear stockings, which is super slippery if you're wearing heels and nobody wants to be tripping and falling. So what I do is I add one of my 3 colors for a nice little extra support. Let me show you how. This is a simple heel. I wear it all the time. All the scuffing, all the chipping, my typical black heel. Now, all I have to do is get this shoe strap. It looks like this, and all I do is take it like so, and I slip it through the little hole here. Hold on. I slip it over this part because that's the part where the strap is, and then I slip it through the hole like so, and I have a bit of support. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how it looks on my foot. But guess what? I chose to put on a different color stocking just so you could kind of see how really nice it looks versus wearing a black stocking with this being black and the shoes being black. You won't even be able to see it. Give me 2 seconds. As you can see, this is how it looks on my feet. It gives me that extra support versus just having the heel and being slipping and sliding with your stockings. This adds a nice little sleek support to your shoes. See, does not slip. That way you're able to rock your favorite heel without worrying that you're going to trip and fall, because nobody likes that. Thank you so much. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. And don't forget to stop on over to Dare to Dream Accessories.